Hello, my name is Ritik Samani. Today I am here to walk you through my platform. The basic purpose of this platform is to help organizations and businesses to reply to their customer grievances raised on the social media uh, such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, etc. The user will first connect his YouTube account here. So let me click on connect YouTube. Once I click on connect YouTube, it will the OAuth consent screen will be open. Here you can see choose an account to continue with Minecraft. Once I click on an account, it will say choose brand account. Here it is saying Google hasn't verified this app as it is currently in developer testing mode. Only the developer can access this. Once I click on continue and again continue, it is saying I am having currently these five scopes in the current access to the that was given to the mind drops. Once I click to continue, the account will be connected here. This is TopLad CS account. Username is this, and the account connected ID is this. So, how will the process work? Here, I can see there are multiple social media accounts connected, and this is my YouTube. Here, I will pick any of the customer grievances that were raised in the YouTube. This was here it is the customer was saying, can you upload the lecture 5? Once I go to the YouTube, here we can see the YouTube comment is already here. Now I'll show you the scopes. The scopes are YouTube read only access that I am accessing here, and YouTube force access that will allow me to see, edit, delete, permanently delete the YouTube videos, comments on them, etc. Now I will comment on this video from my platform. Yes, sir. Yes. And as you can see, there is currently no reply. Once I click on this send button, the reply posted successfully. And once I go here and refresh this page, so here you can see one reply is posted from the connected account that was toplet cs, and the message is the reply was posted 24 seconds ago. So this was the basic purpose of this platform, to help businesses reply to their customer grievances. That's all. Thank you.